A question we get pretty often has to do with receiving water kefir grains or other products in the mail. The question is, what if my water kefir grains have been shipped in 100 plus degree weather? Are they still safe? Are they still viable? Or has the heat killed them? Now, this is a pretty common question, and it is an understandable question. We've had an extremely hot summer, and knowing that water kefir grains are a living thing, it's reasonable to wonder if they'll still be alive when you open the box. So the simple answer to this question is yes, your water kefir grains are most likely okay. Kefir is really resilient stuff. It's able to be frozen, it can withstand extreme heat and cold for periods of time with no problem. And all it needs is some tender, loving care to get it back up and running. Now, it's true, if you pick up your kefir grains and it's 100 plus degree weather outside, those grains may need a couple of batches in order to get fully active. This could be because of the heat or just because of the trauma of being shipped, no matter what the weather is. So all you have to do is follow the instructions on posymom.com and do that a couple of times, allowing a few batches to go by for the water kefir grains to become fully active and alive. Now, talking about shipping in severe weather, it is true that you don't want to unnecessarily torture your kefir grains. So if you order water kefir from Posymom or anyone else, and you know you're going to be out of town for a few days, for example, instead of allowing a package to sit in your mailbox or on the front porch for a few days in extreme heat, it might be a good idea to ask a friend if they would be able to pick up your water kefir grains and look after them for you. A package of water kefir grains can stay in the fridge for up to 7 days with no problem. Now, on a related note, we send off more than 1,000 packages a week. In a handful of cases every week, it seems somebody's package gets damaged in the mail. Now, of course, when we get a message like this, we're happy to send a replacement, but really it just kind of irks us to no end. I mean, it's the mailman's job to get that package to you successfully and safely. And when they don't take good care of your package of water kefir or whatever other product, that's a huge inconvenience for both you and for us. But anyway, the answer to today's question is simple. Even if it's extremely hot outside, don't worry about ordering more water kefir grains from Posymom.